Baguio. Mga chismosa. Sabi niya, si Magalong daw, kaya siguro nag-resign. Kasi pa kami nakita, may kino-cover up. Di ba si Magalong matapang?
Matapang siya. Walang ilubungan yung boss. Ang hinayang nga ako sa kanya. Straight na tao yun eh.
Talaga?
Straight na tao yun. Kaya nga mahal na mahal siya ng Baguio.
Kaya siguro hindi na kaya rin mag-cover up sa mga...
Is it 3 minutes already?
Not yet. 1 minute. 2 minutes.
Make it 3 and
Okay.
Yes, did you find better friends than TCS?
No one can compare TCS. But I have Carlo Contis. He's there, but we do not see. We have different sides. And then our old...
What is
coach,
Carlos' position?
Same as mine.
So how many accounts do you have?
He has 2 to 3, but lesser if he was mine. I have 3 right now. On his side. Oy, Jesse,
Sige lang boss, nakita ko.
kaya mo na yan. Dito kami sa ano. Kung sa south, okay lang.
You drive Jeep, no?
Kanya rin ko daw, boss, yung BNG restaurant.
Friend, bukas na.
Sa BNG.
I'm planning to enroll to a driving school next
Even I'm
year.
Tari,
Yung
mag-drive
Tesla.
ka na.
I'm planning.
At least there's a plan.
Yeah.
Kesa there's no plan, di ba?
So that madam will have
A contingency.
yeah